Just wanted to do a quick walk around and cold start. This is my 1985 Honda Magna V30, 500cc V4. This thing's in pretty nice shape. All the bright work looks pretty good. No major pitting. Tires are, I think, about 4 years old. Plastic probably could use a little cleaning up. About 15,000 miles. Tank may have been repainted. Does have a little dent and some scuffs. Carbs were completely cleaned. I stripped them, broke them down, ultrasonic cleaned them. Everything works. It's got some fake leather bags. Exhaust looks nice. Couple little scuffs here and there. It's a little dirty, but no pitting. This is a chain drive. Looks pretty good. Seat's in good shape. There's no cracks or anything like that. This is a cold start. Haven't started this in probably a month or so, so it might take a couple cranks to get it going. Okay, starts right up, idles nice. Gonna take it for a ride. I'm gonna do a hot start.